Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Naseeb and today we are diving into the one of the most essential part of the React Native app navigation. In this video, I will show you how to set up and customize the navigation. Using this library, we can navigate the user from one screen to the another screen, and also we can pass the data from one screen to the another screen. So this is the React Native navigation library. So let's start with the practical. So this is the library. So we are using the version 6 of the React navigations. So the pre-required thing are there. So these are the pre-required React Native, main concept of the React and hook. So minimum requirement, 63 versions, and Expo 41, and also the TypeScript version more than 4.1. For the installation of the library, we have a command. So you can use for the npm, yarn, and pnpm. So I'm using the yarn. So just copy. And so this is my project. I already run my project in Android and iOS. So let me. So it will take us some time to install my library. So just come. So if you are using the Expo, so you need to install this library also. So now we are going to install the safe area context also. Just copy this and come here. So the React Native navigation library do not need any configuration in the native module. So you need to only install the port file in iOS, and for the Android, you just need to install your app again. So we do not need any configuration for the Android side also. If you're using the React Native screen, so you need to configure this in the main activity. So now we are going to the other. So let's hello navigation. So this is our navigation. We need to install the stack also. This is my stack. Just come here and paste. And also I'm using the React Native 76 version. So we have done the installation part of the navigation. Now we are going to the code. So cd iOS. First I'm going to install my cd iOS and port install. First I'm going to install my ports.
The after hours are done.
Now cd yarn iOS and yarn Android. So it will take us some time to run our iOS and Android both. So till that, I'm going to set up my code. So first I'm going to the app.tx. I'm removing all the things. So we run our app again. This is our Android and this is our iOS. So I will put it there. So I just remove my all codes. So this is our app.js. So now I'm going to create the folder with the name of the src. So then I'm creating the navigation folder also. And inside navigation, I need the screen folder also. Screens. And I'm creating the screen also inside, like home. And also I'm creating the login and sign up. Screen folder, and this is my navigation. Now I'm going to create the file also for the home. I will show you a step by step. And home, I just copy my this, paste it, and also copy home. Let me copy again, paste. We need the home. So this is my home. So I'm creating copy. Now I'm creating the login also, login.tsx, and just copy your home file in here, and just change your login name also. And now I'm going to the sign up also. I'm just creating the file. And just copy the login file and paste it, and just name also. And also we need to. So we create a 3 screen with the name of home, login, and sign up. So now we are going to import all the screen in index.js, index.tsx, export d. from home. So now we need to export the as a login from, and also export default so we export the all screen from the index.js also. So now we are going to create the route file also. This is our route.tsx. The tx extension is used for the TypeScript. If you are new in the React Native, so try to learn the TypeScript also. So first I will go to create the so I create the TypeScript file. We do not need any styling also in here. We do not need this also. I create the route file also. So now we are going to the navigation library. So this is my library. So first we are going to import the navigation container. So this is my navigation container. First import the navigation container. So then we are importing the create native stack navigator also, and just copy. And also we need to import the stack navigator. This, just paste it. So now I need to create the this is the navigation container first. So then we are going to stack dot navigator, and inside that we need to stack dot screens. We need to import our name, home. So we are using the TypeScript, so we need to define our type also. So first I'm going to define my type in here. Let me export type screen type, and also first I'm going to define my home type also. I will take a any and then login and any, so then sign up any, and then just copy your screen type and come here and paste. And so now we are going to define our name also. So name, so let me remove this. If I see, this is the benefit of the TypeScript also. See, they give us the suggestion also. So we need to import the home screen first, and then we need the component, and we need to the home screen. We just import our home screen. This is our home screen. So now I'm going to the import the stack.screen name. Again, we just we need to login screen also, component and logins, login, and we need to this. We need to import our last screen also, screen and name, sign up component, and we need import the sign up screen also. So see, we define our route also. So now we are going to the app.tx. So now we need to remove these things and just import your routes and just reload your app also. See, reload your app. So we can see our first screen is a home screen, and this is the home screen. If you change something like a type first screen, so it will change automatically. And this is our iOS also. This is our first screen, see, and this is our second screen, and we can go here, and also we can change it. Now it will, the first screen will be the login screen. Let me reload it. So first screen is the login screen, see, and we also change these things also, login, and also for the sign up also, sign up. So it will show you the correct. So see, so if I remove this screen and paste it into the top, see, then reload your app, we can see the sign up screen is now in the first screen. So this is the React Native navigation. So now I'm going to the library also. So this is our library. So we have another thing also, like so we have initially route also. So initially route, we want to render our screen initially. So for that reason, we are using initially route. So I'm just going to the route. So let me show you initial route and just type your screen name. Let me see. And we just type your screen name to the, I need the initial route. It will be my home screen. So let's save it and just reload it. So initial route, see, this is the difference. So this is the usage of the initial route. See, our screen is in the bottom. So, but now it's an initial route. So it will be show you. And now I'm going to show you how to customize your stack navigator also. First, we are going to remove our header also. For the header, we have a screen options and just type the header Tron and just type the false. So now you cannot see the header also. See, we remove the header also for every screen. You can also customize your header also. So now I'm going to show you how to navigate from one screen to the another screen. For that, we are going to the our home screen, and here we can just create the cons navigation is equal to use navigation, and just type the navigation prop. We need to import our screen type also, screen, and this is our screen type. This, so this is our import our screen type. So now I'm going to the this is my text. So just pressable, create the pressable, copy this. We need to the type the on press and just navigation dot navigate. The suggestion also, this is the benefit of the defining the type. We just want to go to the login screen, just click on the login screen, see, and if you want to go back, you can also go back like this. You can go to the login screen. So see, this is the navigation also. So now I'm going to the home screen also, the login screen. So this is my login screen. So just import this also, your navigation, and just paste it in here. We need to import our use navigation first, and then we import the navigation prop, and then we import our screen type also. So now I'm going to the also defining the pressable. You can use also touchable opacity also as you wish. Just type the on press and navigation dot navigate, and just type the sign up screen. See, we can go to the sign up screen also, but now I need to go back also. We need the go back function also. So this is my sign up screen. I import the navigation also. So see, I import the navigation and navigation. So I import the use navigation and navigation props and screen type also. So now I'm going to use this navigation also. Just copy, and we need to go back also. First I will import the pressable and just cut here and paste it. So now we need to go back also, on press and just type navigation dot go back, and it's navigate to the go back also. See, we can go easily go back also. So we can also change the effects of the navigating also, we can change. So now I'm going to the login screen also, login screen, and here I also apply the go back also. Just come here and pressable and text. We need to the go back. I want to copy this style and just paste it, and we need to on press. We need a on press, we need a navigation first. Dot go back. So this is the React Native navigation. We can navigate from one screen to the another screen. So we can also pass the data also. This is my home screen. I want to pass the data from the home screen to the login screen, and for that we need to this, and this is the data. Data. I just want to pass my name, Nasib, and just like age 25, age, country Afghanistan, and just format it. So now I will show you how to, and just come here to the login screen. If you are login screen, just come here, and we need a, just import the const route is equal to use route. Just import your use route, and just log your route. Now we can see, let me see. So just open the, let me open the this. See, we can see we have a params. Just copy this, copy, and come here. We only need the params also. Just come here. See, we have a age. Now we can print this also in a text input. I need 2 or 3 texts also. Now let me 3. Just copy your route and come here. Dot. We need a, first we need to add the data. Just copy the data, save. See, we can see Nasibuddin, and then we have a age also. Just copy this and paste age and country. See, so see, we have a seeing the warning also. You can go on your route and just define your type also, but now I'm going to assign the any. So this is the React Native navigation library. In this video we learn how to install the library, and also how to navigate from one screen to the another screen, and also how to pass the data from one screen to the another screen. In the next video I will show you how to handle the multiple stacks like auth stack, man stack, and bottom tabs also. So see you in next video.